how to buy do it for the Vine token. So this token came under the symbol of Vine. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the community on X. As you can see, they have 906 and 76 members there. Now as you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko. To be able to buy this token, just scroll down a little bit and you will be able to find contract here. As you can see, this contract, it's under the, or this address, it's under the Solana network. Now click here to copy the token address and open your BITGET wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and from the top right corner, click here and select the Solana network. Now click on this plus icon after that, and now you can paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now after that, go back and now keep searching until you find your token that you just added called Vine. So after you find it, click on it and now you can click on swap here. Now switch from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, but before that, sorry, I will just go back a little bit to wallet, sorry, and now I will make sure to select the Vine token again. Now after that, click on it and now click on swap. Now as you can see, you can now switch from here, and now from the top you can select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and now you can type here how much you want to buy, and now you will be able to see how much you receive that token here. As you can see, after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Vine token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.